Let's get a couple of more callers then. We have Pradeep who calls in from Ajmer and he has investments in the pharmaceutical stock Cipla. Pradeep, go ahead. Pradeep? हाँ, आपका सवाल क्या है?
ये सिप्ला ले रखे हैं मैंने 634 पे।
अच्छा, और आप कितनी देर के लिए रख सकते हो?
मैं रख सकता हूँ इन्हें जब तक प्रॉफिट हो तब तक के लिए।
अच्छा, और आप के पास कोई और फार्मा स्टॉक है अपने पोर्टफोलियो में?
नहीं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं।
Okay. Ashu, what would you recommend to Pradeep with regards to Cipla? Because that stock has seen a recent underperformance, more in line with what most of the frontline pharma stocks have done. But long-term prospects look good?
See, probably the results have shown decline. Top line was also muted. Basically, decline was because of the rising interest and expenditure. So, as you rightly said, it has been underperforming, and suddenly there was a spurt and everybody got into it. Though I'm not too bearish in the stock at the current level. In fact, technically head and shoulder pattern is in place, so generally analysts are saying that sell at every rise. But at the same time, I'm not too overly bullish also, because the only reason is that whenever there is a rally in a particular sector, people look for the opportunities in the stocks which have not run up. So Cipla is probably one of the case in point where everyone is kind of overbought and looking for an opportunity that all other pharma stocks have run up sharply, and probably this is the turn to Cipla, and instead the results disturb the party. So I don't think so there would be a major recovery in the offering. So I would say that if market recovers, or probably you see some spurt in the price, because the acquisition price is closer to the current market price, it is a 5% move could take it to the, but this is not the stock right now. I suggest to hold it for a long term. Long term, I still suggest that if get into some other pharmaceutical stock, even if somebody wants to remain in pharma.
ऑलराइट प्रदीप, आपके लिए राय यही है कि फिलहाल जो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है सिप्ला में, आप उसको सेल कर दीजिए। इसमें अगर आपको स्विच करना है तो आप किसी दूसरे फार्मा स्टॉक में, जैसे आशु कह रहे थे, आप चुन सकते हैं, लेकिन फिलहाल सिप्ला में उनकी एडवाइस है कि आप अपने प्रॉफिट्स बुक कर लीजिए और राधा अपने लॉसेस कट कर लीजिए। Up next, Dhaval Mehta writes to us from Mumbai. He wants to invest about 2,000 rupees every month for 10 to 15 years and wants to know the suitable mutual funds that he could be looking at. Ankur, what's happening is that Dhaval is just about 23 years old, so I suppose he's just getting started, and this would be the almost the first of his investments that he'd be looking at. So for someone like him, and obviously who has the ability to take high risk right now, what would be the funds that he could look at?
Well, first of all, it's a great thought that when you're young, you're thinking of investing, saving your money. And given the duration that he has mentioned, 10 to 15 years at this stage, that's a long term. And in long term, you have to go into the equity side. So what I would say, a combination of a large cap and a mid cap stock, fund. In large cap, I would recommend ICICI Focus Blue Chip. And in mid-cap space, I would recommend IDFC Premier Equity. And as he plans to probably invest more going forward, probably he can add 1 or 2 funds more. But that can happen at a later stage.
Okay, well, from personal finance on to queries from the stock space, we have VK Mahajan who calls in from New Delhi, and he has investments in Axis Bank. VK, go ahead.
Hello.
Hi.
मैडम नमस्कार।
नमस्कार, आपका सवाल क्या है?
मैडम, एक्सिस बैंक के 100 शेयर हैं एट द रेट ऑफ 575। आपके ही चैनल से रिकमेंड किया गया था, मैंने बाई कर रखे हैं। इसे कब तक होल्ड करें अच्छे रिजल्ट आने के लिए?
अच्छा, और आप कितनी देर के लिए आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं?
मैडम, जब तक डबल ना हो जाए।
Okay, Ashu, that is quite a straightforward want in terms of the Axis Bank stock. So do you think that it could touch 1,000 from current levels, or maybe even 1,500?
Yes, certainly it can, but if somebody has that kind of a time horizon, one should not ask these questions on weekly program, and should stop looking at the prices on a daily basis. If somebody is a long-term investor, I think Axis is a great stock to hold. and nobody can predict a time horizon that till when it can double. But certainly, if somebody has a holding capacity, I would suggest that if market declines some more, or probably you see some more correction in the bank, he should average out and probably invest more for a long term. I mean, that's the call. One should definitely hold or probably invest more if the stock price goes down.
At what level would you advise averaging?
See, I think probably a 5% or 4 to 5% decline. I am waiting for one more dip in the market. There would be certainly there are many stocks which will become lucrative. As I said, that I am not looking for a level. I feel the trend of the market is still down. The bias is down. I see some kind of a knee-jerk reaction more in the market when we probably this time breach 8,000, which highly, I mean, it looks likely, because every time we have become habitual of market bouncing back from 8,000 levels. So I think that whenever there is a sharp fall or a reaction in the market, at that point in time, probably access whatever price it is. I can't say what would be the exact price at that point in time, but somewhere around that level one can get into the stock.
ऑलराइट, तो महाजन जी, आपके लिए राय यही है कि आपने अच्छा स्टॉक अभी फिलहाल चुना हुआ है. अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर हैं, आपको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, तो आप इस स्टॉक में बने रहें. लॉन्ग टर्म में ये जरूर ऊपर जाएगा, लेकिन कब और कितनी तेजी इसमें आएगी वो कहना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. अगर मार्केट में बहुत ज्यादा और गिरावट आती है तो आप इसमें एवरेज भी कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा और एक्सिस बैंक में ऐड कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास फिलहाल फंड्स अवेलेबल हैं. लेकिन अगर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए हैं तो आप इसमें बने रहें, आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी.